Sometimes we find ourselves away from our desktop computer and we have the need to add a custom thumbnail to a video on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to a YouTube video on your phone.
Deliver your value.
Hi and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier and I am here to help you deliver your value through online video. It happens to all of us. Every once in a while, or maybe all the time, we make videos away from our desktop computers. Maybe you're an all mobile video editor and you upload directly from your phone. So it helps to know how to add a custom thumbnail to your video directly from your phone. If you don't know how to do that yet, you've come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. And it's a lot easier than you think. Be sure to stick around for a bonus at the end of the video where I share the best mobile app to make your custom thumbnails.
All right, so first you want to make sure you've downloaded the YouTube Studio app. Once you have, you just go into YouTube Studio. It's going to bring you to your main page here. You want to click on the menu in the upper left-hand corner and select Videos. Once you've selected videos, you're going to select the video that you want to edit. In this case, we're going to do the community tutorial. You click on the little pencil in the upper right-hand corner. That's going to bring you to the info on that particular video. Click the edit thumbnail right in the middle of the picture there. Lower left-hand corner, you have the option to select a new thumbnail. You're going to go to wherever you've saved the thumbnail that you've made and select that from your list, and it's going to populate that on the screen. Then it's as simple as just clicking select and then hit save on the next screen, and you have officially changed your thumbnail. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you the best app to make thumbnails on your mobile device. All right, so here's the bonus. These are my picks for the best thumbnail editing apps on iOS and Android. On iOS, I'm going to go with Pixelmator. What you're looking for is a layer-based editor. Pixelmator does cost $4.99 at the time of making this video, but it is a quality program that can really help you make some professional-looking thumbnails. As for Android, we're going to go with a PixelLab. Same concept, being able to build these as layers. As you can see, it's got a ton of positive ratings. I don't do a lot on Android myself. I'm an iOS guy, but PixelLab seems like a great way to go if you are using Android. Hey, let me know what app you're using to make your custom thumbnails on either iOS or Android. I'd love to know, and I'm sure everybody in the comments would be interested in your picks as well.
And hey, don't forget, this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is your #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Let me know what you thought. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down there. I'll absolutely do my best to get back to you. And hey, if you want to receive future notifications on videos that can help you deliver your value through online video, be sure to click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.